The Nicpro 158PCS Art Kit is a comprehensive set that includes everything an artist might need, from paints to brushes and easels, all in one package. Featuring both a metal tripod easel with adjustable legs and a beech wood tabletop easel with an integrated drawer, this kit offers versatility for different painting setups. With 35 paintbrushes spanning various sizes and materials, alongside 48 acrylic, 24 oil, and 24 watercolor paints, artists have a wide range of tools to express their creativity. The kit includes an impressive selection of canvases and paper pads, such as heavyweight acrylic, oil, and watercolor paper, as well as ready-to-hang stretched canvases and canvas panels. Each component of the Nicpro Art Kit is crafted with premium quality materials, ensuring durability and excellent performance for artists at any level. This art set makes an exceptional gift for artists of all levels, providing a delightful surprise for beginners, advanced, and professional artists alike.